Coach,
Yeah.
you won the final score.
Yes, Steve.
What are your impressions?
I think Kotoko played very well. Yeah, it's like we gave them a whole lot of respect in the first half, and they capitalized on that to get 2 early goals. By during recess, after the pep talk, we went back. The boys were fantastic. They played very well. I like the intensity. They run more, and we created a whole lot. But today is one of the days we couldn't get the necessary result or the needed result.
The last members of the game, you saw them playing so well, pushing the opposition and trying to get the equalizer. How happy are you about that sort of attitude that the boys showed during the?
Yeah, I think the boys respond to the roar of the supporters. Kudos to the supporters. I like the way they were behind us when we were down. They were pushing us, and the boys also responded to their call by lifting the game and pushing hard to equalize. But like I said, it's unfortunate we couldn't get the result we wanted.
It's very disappointing from the backdrop that you wanted to retain this title. Losing it, would you say you are so much disappointed? And what are the picks from this game, taking into consideration the sort of opposition that you met today?
It's true. No, I say we are disappointed, but the positives outweigh the negatives in this game, and I think the boys did well. Like I said, the positives outweigh the negatives, so we'll go back and work more. I think this is a morale booster rather than dampening our spirit, so we'll build on this.
What would you say about the experience? What you envisage? Is it exactly how you got it, or you felt that your boys were still in the game, looking at the pedigree of Asec and where they are right now? Would you say that
we watched 2 games of Asec, and I think what we expected is what they put up here. We realized they were very expansive in their previous 2 matches we watched, and that was exactly what they exhibited in the first half especially. But in the second half, after the pep talk, you see that the boys matched them boot for boot. In the first half, we gave them a lot of space and time to operate. But when we switch and put a man on them each, you could see that they were not able to play, and we dominated play.
The supporters were here, their members. What will be your word to them after that roar and then the attendance?
I will tell the supporters not to be disappointed. I know even though they have the right to be disappointed, but this is a very good test for us, and we will use this as a stepping stone to lift our game and make sure in the league matches we give them a befitting result for them to be happy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.